Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to write your bio as an artist on Spotify. It's very easy, so let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you have to ensure is that you have claimed your artist account on Spotify. So guys, if you don't know how to do that, I have a video on how you can actually claim your artist profile on Spotify, and I will add the link to that video in the comment section. So I'm going to pin the link to the video in the comment section, so just watch and learn how you can claim your artist profile, because that's the first thing you have to do before you can be able to write your bio on Spotify. So once that is done, and then you can go to artist.spotify.com, and you land on your dashboard. So this is basically where you can see everything about your Spotify account. You can see your followers, your streams, the people who are listening to your song currently, and also you can write your bio, create playlists, promote your concert, etc. So you can have full control of your Spotify account from here. So let me show you now how you can write your bio. So if you want to write your bio, you just have to click on this view profile at the top left corner, and then you see your artist name. And if you notice right here, I have this blue badge. That simply means my artist profile is verified, and I've claimed my artist profile. Okay, so in order for you to write your bio, you just have to come here, click on the about option right here, and then you have to scroll down just a little bit, and you find this bio option. Click on this little pencil and then write your bio. So you can just write anything about yourself. So just go ahead and write anything about yourself as an artist, and come down here and click on save. So that's it guys. So this is how you can actually write your bio on Spotify as an artist. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe for more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.